as example.jpg for now. No, I probably shouldn't. Alright, I already know which image I'm going to use, so we're going to go with baby.png. Sorry, GIF. And we're going to save page. And so now we have this file here. So we're going to click that. It says this file does not exist, but you can upload. So let's upload. File uploads are disabled. So we need to fix that. So to fix that, we go back to our MediaWiki folder and we pull out local settings.php. And we come in here. And we scroll down a little bit here, maybe 2/3 down. You see WG enable uploads. We want to set this to true. Yes. Okay, and that's solved. So now, if we go back and upload, now it'll let us upload a file. So let's do a browse. And let's pick Baby Scary Tunnel. But now, notice that it says the maximum file size is 30 megs. This file certainly is not 30 megs. And the permitted file type it does include GIF, but if we hit upload file, it'll work for a little bit. Sending request. Come on. We get an error saying the upload directory is not writable, which is true because our permissions are not correct. So because I don't know how other FTP programs do permissions, I'm going to do these through the file manager. Let's go to the file manager and MediaWiki. And for this we want the images folder. So we're going to do that check mark, chmod, and we need to include these two check marks. And so, and hit the big check mark, and then we're good. So let's try it again. Go back, we have our picture selected, upload file. And we're loading. Close that. And it worked. Why did it work? It wasn't supposed to work. Okay, something changed somewhere. I don't know what. But if it doesn't work, if you get an error that says, oh, where did my text file go? Here. If you get an error that says this file is corrupt or has an incorrect extension, please check the file and upload again, and you know that it's not, if you know that the file extension is correct and the file is not corrupt, what may be happening is it's trying to verify the MIME type, and it doesn't like that. So what you need to do is add this line here, cache wg verify MIME type equals false, semicolon. You want to add this to the bottom of your local settings.php file, right here under cache epoch. Save that, upload it to the server, and uploads will work. There are other ways of fixing that problem. The problem is happening because the MIME verifier isn't working properly. There are ways to correctly fix it. If you would like to try and do that, you can go to meta.wikimedia.org/wiki/uploading_files, and you will find instructions there for how to do it. And I'll go ahead and show you quick. Okay, apparently this page is outdated, but right here. See, this is what we did. We turned it off, but you can. There are multiple ways of fixing it. I don't know if these methods of fixing it work on CWahi or not. So, but that's it. And now you can go. Now you can log out. And we will go back to the main page. And now little baby is scared that we have successfully installed MediaWiki. So, that is how to install MediaWiki 1.15.1 on the CWahi free web host service. Any other customizations you want to make to MediaWiki or its skins are done just like any other MediaWiki host. So, good luck and have fun.